Buccaneers, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. Namhlanje sibamba ngali lineup almost ecishe ifane nale esicale nayo against Golden Arrows. So cala ngoChina. There we lineup prediction yam, guys. It's not like an official lineup. Wabo. Sure, Buccaneers cala ngoChina. Sicale size ngoLibitso, Siyema, uMbokazi, uNdaba udlale kahle kule game ebisidlala nayo neArrows. I don't see any reason why he shouldn't start. Plus we are playing against his former team, wabo. Yeah, ngibona kuyinto enhle achubeke singamdisappoint umfana. Udo uzawudlala ngesinye isikhathi. Esiswini ngicala ngoTalent Mbatha ezi number 6. Ngithi Masindi neMtajela, ngithi Mbule, bese uMrem namhlanje simbeka phansi, ngiza no really uGile Mfukeng. Ngalo mfana lo anything can happen makaphethe ibhola bafethu, asekele namanga, asekele no ukukhuluma kakhulu. Hayi ukuthi uMremi had a bad game, no, he did have a good game, but I will start really yabo for the game against Richards Bay. Bese ngithi apolice ngale ka right. Makhopa hayi bengicabanga ukuthi ahlale phansi kancane sicale ngayo uMbuthuma just to keep the momentum going, guys. Hayi okuningi ngoba ya mina ngifisa ukuthi vele iPirates ingacala ngayo uMbuthuma ngoba okay uMbuthuma good ngokupressa but uyakwazi ukuba seboxing ngesikhathi yabo, and he's a good finisher. Makhopa can defend well, can press the opponents well, but my problem ngoMakhopa ukuthi akazitholi esikhaleni sokuba nama-chance amaningi, guys. Ama-chance kaMakhopa are few, but uMbuthuma ama-chance awatholayo, guys, hayi maningi. Mina ngiyathemba ukuthi abona uMbuthuma makasingamnikeza isikhathi, yeah, kungaba ile strike esisifunayo, guys. Hayi uyadlala umfana. Bengifisa nje ukuthi acale nematch namhlanje kube uye i-target man yethu ngoba good nokupressa, good nokutracker back, wabo. And into ebalekile ukuzithola eboxini at the right time. Kahle. Alright Buccaneers, angazi ukuthi ngithini ngale lineup prediction yami. Mhlambe singakhuluma kuma comments wabo, uze neyakhe lineup sibone ukuthi sihluka kuphi wabo ngama lineups. Otherwise guys, all the best to the Buccaneers. My score prediction still remains 3-0 baba. 3-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates, guys. Otherwise, all the best to the boys. Bopha Mzomnyama.